got a lot of difficulties in that mission because white people were doing harm to him and everything bad to make him give up. That is the reason why they got him out of Senegal in age of Safar 1313 to be far from his family. But he carried on with the mission until he got success. When he came back to Senegal, he required his followers to remember age of Safar every year. Secondly, how to celebrate Magal Touba. You know, this day is a day of worship, like reading Holy Book, Al-Quran, reading Qasaid of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, doing Salatu ala Nabi, and all that concern the worship of Allah. And also slaughter animals to prepare food for honorable guests and giving food and drinks to them. If you are from Touba, you have to be open-headed and extensive to your guests. You have to be patient and generous to them. Don't let them alone. Just ask them what they need about food and drinks and everything they need, and also get out of your room and give it to them. Because if they get back their homes, they will talk about your acts and your doings. If you are guest in Touba, don't do anything bad like smoking, drinking wine, doing aggression, and whenever it's harm in Islam, don't do it. Just be kind. Don't be narrow during Magal Touba, because you're coming in Touba just for Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba. I think this way is the best one to celebrate your Magal. Finally, what's the importance of Magal? Firstly, Magal Touba is useful in the religion of Islam because it makes a great effect on us, such as loving each other, doing something together, doing brotherhood, and love Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba more, and love Mohammed, our best prophet, more. These things can make us be strong in our religion. Secondly,